Happy kids learning!
Hi, little explorers. I'm Benny the Beaver, and welcome to our riddle game. Each fruit riddle has 3 clues. Ready for the first one? Let's dive in. Fruit riddle 1. I am round and red. I grow on a tree. People say I keep the doctor away. The answer is apple. Apples are sweet and crunchy. They grow on trees and come in red, green, or yellow. Fruit riddle 2. I am long and yellow. Monkeys love to eat me. You have to peel me before you eat me. The answer is banana. Bananas are soft and sweet. They have a yellow peel and grow in bunches. Fruit riddle 3. I am round and orange. I grow on a tree. You can squeeze me for juice. The answer is orange. Oranges are juicy citrus fruits. They are sweet and full of vitamin C. Fruit riddle 4. I am big and round. My outside is green, but my inside is red. I have black seeds inside. The answer is watermelon. Watermelons are large and full of water. They are sweet and refreshing in summer. Fruit riddle 5. I am small and red. I have tiny seeds on my outside. I taste sweet and grow in the summer. The answer is strawberry. Strawberries are soft, red berries that grow on bushes. They taste sweet and juicy. Fruit riddle 6. I grow in bunches. I can be green, red, or purple. People use me to make juice. The answer is grape. Grapes are small and round. They grow on vines and can be eaten fresh or dried. Fruit riddle 7. I have spiky green leaves on top. My outside is rough and brown. My inside is yellow and juicy. The answer is pineapple. Pineapples are tropical fruits with a spiky shell. They are sweet and a little sour. Fruit riddle 8. I am soft and juicy. I am yellow, red, or orange outside. I grow in warm places. The answer is mango. Mangoes are tropical fruits with soft, sweet flesh. They grow in hot places. Fruit riddle 9. I am small, round, and usually red. I have a little stem on top. I grow in pairs on trees and have a hard pit inside. The answer is cherry. Cherries are small, red, and juicy fruits that grow in pairs on trees. They have a little stem and a hard pit. Fruit Riddle 10. I am yellow and round. I taste very sour. People use me to make lemonade. The answer is lemon. Lemons are sour citrus fruits. They are used in drinks and food. Fruit Riddle 11. I am round and soft. My skin is fuzzy and pink or yellow. I have a hard pit inside. The answer is peach. Peaches are juicy and sweet. They grow on trees and have fuzzy skin. Fruit Riddle 12. I am brown and hard outside. Inside, I am white and sweet. I have water inside. The answer is coconut. Coconuts grow on palm trees. They have sweet white flesh and refreshing coconut water. Fruit Riddle 13. I am brown and fuzzy outside. I am green inside with tiny black seeds. I taste a little sour. The answer is kiwi. Kiwis are small and oval. They are full of vitamin C and have soft green flesh. Fruit Riddle 14. I am tiny and round. I am dark blue or purple. I grow on bushes and taste sweet. The answer is blueberry. Blueberries are small, soft, and packed with flavor. They are often used in desserts. Fruit Riddle 15. I am small and round. My skin is smooth and can be red or purple. Inside, I am very juicy and have a big seed. The answer is plum. Plums are juicy and soft. They have smooth skin and a big seed inside. Fruit Riddle 16. I look like an apple, but I have a longer shape. I can be green or yellow. I am soft and juicy inside. The answer is pear. Pears are sweet and soft fruits. They grow on trees and have a mild flavor. Fruit Riddle 17. I have a thick red skin. Inside, I have many tiny red seeds. People eat my seeds one by one. The answer is pomegranate. Pomegranates are full of juicy seeds. They are red and packed with vitamins. Fruit Riddle 18. I am green outside. I have a big seed inside. I taste creamy and healthy. The answer is avocado. Avocados are soft and rich. They are often used in salads and spreads. Fruit Riddle 19. I am soft and red. I grow on bushes in small clusters. I am full of tiny bumps. The answer is raspberry. Raspberries are sweet and tart. They grow in bushes and are full of tiny drupelets. Fruit Riddle 20. I am small and round. I am purple or brown outside and pink inside. My inside is soft and full of tiny seeds. The answer is fig. Figs are sweet and soft. They are eaten fresh or dried.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun content like this.